Are you wondering if artificial intelligence could affect or take over your job? Not someday, not 10 years from now, but today. Whether you work in an office, drive a truck, own a small business, teach students, or work in healthcare, AI is beginning to change how work gets done. The good news is that this doesn't have to be something to fear. In many cases, AI isn't replacing people. It is helping people work faster, solve problems more efficiently, and spend less time on repetitive tasks. The people who understand how to work alongside AI may have a real advantage in the years ahead. Let's take a look at what is already happening. The first thing to understand is that AI is quietly becoming another workplace tool. Think about how computers and smartphones became part of everyday life. AI is following a very similar path. Many people are already using it without even realizing it. It helps write emails, organize schedules, summarize meetings, answer customer questions, analyze data, and even assist with computer programming. For millions of workers, AI is simply becoming another tool in the toolbox. AI is helping people become more productive. Imagine spending 2 hours writing a report. An AI assistant might help organize your thoughts, suggest improvements, or summarize information in just a few minutes. Instead of replacing your knowledge, it helps you use your time more effectively. The goal isn't to do less work. The goal is to spend more time on the parts of your job that require human judgment, creativity, and experience. Some jobs will certainly change. Throughout history, new technology has always changed the way people work. The internet changed business. Smartphones changed communication. Now AI is changing how information is created and how it is being used. Some routine tasks may become automated. At the same time, entirely new careers and opportunities are being created. Learning how to use AI could become just as valuable as learning how to use a computer was 30 years ago. This is why learning about AI today matters for your future. You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need to become an engineer. You simply need to understand what these tools can do and how they can help you in your own work and daily life. The future won't belong only to artificial intelligence. It will belong to people who understand how to work with it. And the best time to begin learning is now. The more familiar you become with AI, the more prepared you will be as the technology continues to grow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Life in AI as we continue exploring the technology that's shaping our future. Thank you for watching.